new Gionee S11 Lite is a beautiful looking smartphone with a tall and slender look. The device is light to hold and the size of the phone is compact as well, which offers long time usage of the device. But this phone has a plastic back. A lot of the phones in this price bracket now have metal bodies, so the plastic construction of the S11 Lite is a bit of a downer. The plastic rear panel of the S11 Lite also sports a reflective glassy look which at first glance seems attractive but later on tends to collect a lot of smudges. So this phone has a full view 18:9 display which produces decent colors which are reasonably vibrant and punchy. Also has a fairly good viewing angles and brightness levels. The screen is good but the resolution could have been better. A lot of the phones at this price point have 1080p displays, but this one still has a 720p display. Also, unlike the Redmi Note 5 Pro, the Gionee S11 Lite isn't truly bezel-less phone, even though it has the modern 18:9 display rate. This phone is still on the old Android 7.1 and the Amigo UI on the top of Android is also not the most optimized. It tends to lag with heavy multitasking, but keeping that aside, the performance is okay. It has a pretty decent front camera, selfies shot indoor situations are sharp and detailed. It has a decent bokeh mode with both the dual rear cameras and the front camera, but it has an average dual camera setup on the rear. While the bokeh shots are decent, the cameras are average in the regular use. Pictures often lack details and colors sometimes tends to go wrong. The battery life on this thing is good. It can comfortably last the day with moderate or even heavy use. The Gionee S11 Lite is all about its design, selfie camera and long-lasting battery. So if these are what you require about everything else, you can consider the S11 Lite. But considering all the all-round performance, there are many better options around.